Hello guys, welcome once again. Yesterday I discussed what is support and resistance. And today I will show you how to draw support and resistance in trending markets and choppy markets. But before starting the video, I will tell you about my friend who cleared 3 400,000k prop firm account and he took more than 100k withdraw just by using support and resistance. Believe you me, he doesn't know anything extra apart from support and resistance. Now you can imagine how much you can earn just by learning how to draw support and resistance. So now let's get started. This is just a simple illustration that I draw to show you before before taking you to the charts. I will show you here how it works and how to draw it. Okay. In the previous video, I discussed what is higher highs, what is higher lows, what is lower low, and what is lower highs. So by that definition, you must be knowing that it is an uptrend because the market is making higher highs and higher lows. And as we are discussing how to draw support and resistance in trending markets and choppy markets. So it is an uptrend. This point should be a resistance here. It should have hold the market from moving upward, but it didn't, and the market broke this point. So now this place, this resistance, it will act as an support. Okay. It is also called as flip zone. Okay. Why we call it flip zone? Because it is actually a flip. If you can see, this was a resistance, but the market broke this point, and now it is serving as an support. You can see it again. Here, this area, this was a resistance, but the market broke it, went about it, and when it retraced back to this point, now it is acting as a support. So that's how we draw it in trending markets. Now let's move toward downtrend. The Japanese use a simple technique in their everyday life, and that is simplicity. I am also a person, I like simplicity as well. And believe you me, trading is very simple. Profitable trading is extremely simple. But what we do, we make it too much complicated for us. We put lots of indicators, we put MACD, we put moving averages, we put volumes on the chart, and then we don't decide. We are unable to decide what to do with it because we are confused. One indicator is saying to buy, the other is saying to sell. So I advise you to simplify your trading as well as you can and believe you me, you will be profitable in the markets. Here I will show you again this area. This was a support. Okay, as the market turned from this point, this was now needed to hold the market from moving downward. But as the market broke this point and retraced here, you can see now this area is likely to act as a resistance. This support is likely to act as a resistance, and we will call it flip zone 2. Okay, here again the market made a low, and this area was meant to hold the market from further moving down, but as it didn't, so when the market broke this area and retraced again, it is likely to move downward from this support became resistance zone. It is also called as support become resistance. It is a flip zone 2. So this is how we draw it in the markets too. Before taking you to the charts, I will show you another illustration too, and it is untitled. It is for side trend. Side trend is also called choppy market and consolidating market. So these all three are the names of side trend. Okay, in the side trend, the market don't make higher highs, higher lows, lower highs and lower lows. It is just moving between 2 points. So the best thing to do is in a side trend is to sell from resistance and buy from support. This area, the above, you can assume the resistance as a roof. Okay, one can't make it above the roof. Now it is acting as a roof. You can see it. This is a resistance area. The best strategy in side trend is to sell from the resistance area. Okay, now this area is likely to act as support. Support is like floor. You can see it can move a little above the resistance or support area, but it is unlikely to break it. Okay, a point will come, definitely a point will come, it will break the resistance or it will break the support, but whenever or it is in the side trend, the best strategy for a trader is to sell from resistance and buy from support. Now let me take you to the charts. Okay, it's USD JPY. I will show you on the charts what we discussed. Now you can see the market. First of all, I will want to clarify the market is making higher highs. Okay, this high, then again this one is higher than the previous, then this one, this low is higher than the previous low, this low is higher than this low, so it is an uptrend. Okay, so this was resistance point, as you can see, and this point was meant to hold the market from moving upward, but it didn't. The market broke this point, and once it broke it, you can see this resistance point is now acting as a support. Okay, again this area, this is a resistance. The market broke it above, went above it, and when it retraced back to this point, it acted as support. You can see, quite simple, extremely simple, and believe you me, make your trading as simple as you can, and you will remain profitable in the long run. So that's it, how easy it is. Okay, now yes, now it is an example of drawing support and resistance in downtrend. Okay, you can see this point, this area. This was a low the market made, but when the market broke it down and retraced back, this area is now acting as support. Sorry, resistance. It became a flip zone, and now this area, the support is acting as resistance. Okay, again we will see another example here. Remember one thing, these areas are called as flip zones. Now this area is support become resistance. You can see this was the low the market made. The market broke it down, the market went below it, and when it retraced back to this point, this support area is now acting as resistance, and the market further moved downward. So it was an example of how to draw support, resistance or flip zones in downtrend. Now show me an example of choppy market. You can see this. Let me clear it out. Okay, let me move from here to make it a bit easy. Okay, now you can see it is a choppy market. So we will draw support and resistance zones. We will target the first one. Okay, this area, right, and we will also draw support. Okay, so here you can see this area made a high, the market made a high here, and now it is acting as a resistance. The market went here again and got rejected, went down to a point where it made a low, which is a support area. The market went up again. It took the SLs from the market, it did SL hunting, and but it didn't went above the resistance area. It made it, but it was a few pips. Again it came to the range. Okay, this is also called choppy markets, are also called ranging markets. It again came in the range. It came to the support. went again to the resistance zone. Okay, you can see it's the resistance, and again got rejected from that zone, came again to support area, support zone, this one, this. It got rejected here, went above to the resistance zone, and again you can see got rejected, went below, went again to the resistance zone, and this time it broke the support to downside. That's how you draw support and resistance in trending markets and choppy market. I hope the video was useful, and again I will say, simplify your trading if you want to become profitable. See you in the next session.